Find or read reviews that people are talking about. BRILOCEA wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, wireless HDMI extender kit for laptop and PC, support 2.4/5 GHz, plug and play. Wireless HDMI dongle adapter for streaming video, audio to HDTV, projector. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Ultra HD resolution. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports full HD video resolution. Built-in chip can help automatic encoding, transmission, and decoding to preserve video quality. Support full RGB gamut with no compression and artifacts. You can enjoy clear and vivid images in a large screen, perfect for learning, business meeting, and family party. Plug and play. Do not need to download any app, driver, software, and no Wi-Fi connection required, just connect to get the convenience of wireless streaming media. Connect the transmitter to the HDMI port of your laptop, connect the receiver to the HDTV, projector, monitor, then connect the power, and done. Solved the problem of the traditional HDMI cable and wiring connection. Get up and running in 10 seconds with a true plug and play experience. High transmission speed. Built-in 5 GHz transmission technology chips makes this newest wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver transmission efficiency faster and more stable. Allows wireless transmission and extension of audio, video signal to HDMI display located unobstructed, transmitting range up to 98 feet. Powerful long-distance signal, can penetrate the wall, floor, and ceiling transmission. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.